Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us do the part 3 of the same chapter. So now let us see with the exercise that is 2C. Even if they are given here, you have to tick the options have been given, but actually here we have to solve the problem. So now let us first not see the options. So now they have asked for this one the value of 2 by 5 raised to minus 3. So we cannot do this directly, we have to solve this one. So let me write here 2 by 5 raised to minus 3. So because we have the negative exponent, so first thing we have to make the exponent as positive. So that will be, so we have to flip over 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2, and so this will become positive. So this is going to be what? 5 into 5 into 5, because whenever you have such type of problems means you have to multiply this into this and this into this. So 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 125 divided by 8. So the option here is C. So the next one is the value of minus 3 raised to minus 4. So again what we can see here, first now let us write the question here. Here this the exponent is negative. So now let us make it to positive. So now here, can you see here, this is negative. So whatever is in the bracket, that negative is going to be as it is. That is not going to change. But it is going to be the reciprocal because of the exponent is negative. So now what will you do? Again, you will do the same. 1 you are going to write 4 times. And again, minus 3 you are going to write 4 times. You are going to multiply it 4 times. So this will be 1 by 3 3s are 9, 27, and this is going to be 81. Now since you can see here, the negative sign are here 4 times. So that is an even number. So whenever there is an even number means that is the sign is going to be positive. Now look at this problem here. That is minus 2 raised to minus 5. We have to find this value of this one. So now here again we are going to make the exponent is positive. So this will be, you can write this 1 instead of writing 1, 1, 1, we can just write it once. And this minus 2 is going to be 5 times. Either you can write minus 2 like this 5 times, or just you can write it. So this will be 1 by 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16 and 32. But now here, what you can see, this negative signs 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a 5 means that is an odd number. So it is going to be minus over here. So we can also write this one as minus 1 by 32, and which is this, the B option. Now let us write this one, 2 raised to minus 5 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. So now what are you going to do for this one? 2 raised to minus 5 means you can write here 1 by 2 raised to 5 divided by, because that both are the negative exponents, 2 raised to 2. So this you can write as 2 raised to 5 means you are going to multiply 2 5 times, that is going to be 32. You can multiply and see. And this one will be 2 raised to 2 means this is going to be 4. So whenever you have division here, so what you do, the left hand side always you have to write as it is. So you will write a 1 by 32. This division will become multiplication. Since this became multiplication, this is going to get flip over. So that will be 4 by 1. So now will be 4 ones are 4 eights are. So that will be 1 by 8. So that is the D option. The value of now, we have to write 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1. And here minus 1 divided by 5 raised to minus 1. So now what you can do first, we can write this first, because here you can see this we can write here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1, and this is 1 by 5. So now what you can do, you can take the LCM here. So what is the LCM here? This is 12. So now you can write here, we can also write here and this will be raised to minus 1 divided by 1 by 5. So we can write this one as 4 plus 3 by 12 raised to minus 1 divided by 1 by 5. So that is going to be 7 by 12, it will be messy, minus 1 raised to 1 by 5. So what you can write here? Now you can take, because this is inverse, you can also write this one as, let me take this down. So this is going to be 12 by 7 because it is the exponent is negative, divided by 1 by 5. So this is going to be 12 by 7. Now this is division will become multiplication. So this will get flip over. So that will be 60 by 7. So where is the option here? 60 by 7. This is the B option. Now here 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. So this one we can also do this one as, because that is negative 1, you can flip over. Again this also is going to get flip over, so that will be 3 raised to 2. 4 is also, 1 by 4 is also going to get this one flip over because that is negative exponent. So this is going to be 4 plus 9 plus 16, and when you add this one, this is going to be 29. So this C is the correct option. Now let us look for this one. 1 by 3. Let me write the question first again here. So we can do one thing. We can write this as, because that is a negative exponent, 3 raised to 3, and this is going to be 2 raised to 3, and divided by here 4 raised to 3. So this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and this is going to be 8. 2 cube is going to be 8, and divided by 64. So what will you get here? So this is going to be 19 divided by 64. So you can also write here 19 divided by 64, and which is the option is A. Now let me write the next one. So here what we can do here, we can, first thing we can do here, we can multiply this into this, that will be minus 4, and this will be minus 1. So now what we can do here, again what we can do, this into this we can do here, that is going to be 4, because negative becomes positive. So now you know that will be, you have to multiply this into this into this. So here 1 is going to be 1 itself, because that is 4 times, so that becomes positive 1, and this is going to be 2 raised to 4. Again this is 4 times, means that is going to be positive. So this will be what? That will be 1 by 2 raised to 4, means that is going to be 16. So that is going to be 1 by 16, that is the A option. Now the value of x for which one? 7 by 12 raised to minus 4 into 7 by 12 raised to 3x is 7 by 12 raised to 5. So now what you can do here, we can see everywhere the base is the same. So we have, what you are going to do, you are going to write it once, because you know a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So what are you going to do? You will write the base once, and the exponent you are going to add it. So the right hand side, now let us keep the same. So now what you can see again here, the left and the right hand side, the base is the same. If the bases are same, that means the exponents are going to be the same. So now what you write here, we can write over here, that is 3x, the exponent is 5. So 3x is going to be 5, with minus 4 goes on the other side, that is going to be plus 4. So 3x is 9. So x is going to be 9 divided by 3. So that is going to be 3. So the value of x is 3. So here we can see the D option. Now here in this one they have said, if So now what we can do here, we can also write here 2 raised to 3 minus 1 plus 10 is equal to 6. And if this division goes on the other side, that is going to get multiplied. So you are going to multiply this into this one. So now what will you write here? 2 raised to 3 minus 1 is, here this 42, 6 sevens are 42 for this one. And here plus sign will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 10. So now what you can write here, this is going to be 32. So now you can see here, this everything is different. So now what you can do, you can write this 32 in the form of 2's. So when you take the factorize it, so you know that is 2 raised to 5 is 32. You can multiply and see. If you don't know how to do it directly, so what you can do, you can take this one and you can take the factors of it, prime factorization method. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 raised to 5. So now you can see the base is the same, means the exponents are going to be the same. So let us write it here. 3x minus 1 is 5. So 3x will be 5. Minus 1 goes to the other side, that will be plus 1. 3x is 6. So x is going to be 6 divided by 3. And that is going to be, x is going to be 2. So the correct option is 2 over here. And this is actually, you don't have to solve this one because you know 2 raised to 3, anything raised to 0 is going to be always 1. So the answer is going to be C over here. Now if you are doing for this one, minus 5 by 3 raised to minus 1. So you will flip over, that will be 3 by minus 5 will be the answer. So this is going to be, this we can also write here minus 3 by 5. So C is the option for that one. Now again you will look for, so what are you going to do? This you are going to write 3 times and this you are going to multiply 3 times. So now this is, when you write negative 1 3 times, and this is going to be 2, minus 1 by 2, you can write it 3 times, so that will be more better. So you can put a, we'll write it this way, so that will be more better to avoid the confusion. Actually it's the same, you have to multiply this into this into this. So here minus, you have to write it only once. So minus 1 into minus 1 and 2 you are going to write it, or you can also write this way. So now what you can see here, negative signs are 3 times, that is an odd number. So it is going to be, the answer is going to be negative 1 here, and this 2 2s are 4 because it is multiplication, and this 4 2s are 8. So this is going to be 8. So that will be minus 1 by 8. So that is the D option over here. So now for this one, what you can do, this is just, you don't have to solve it because it's easy. That will be because the exponent is 2, means you are going to, the negative is going to be positive 1. So it will be 9 by 16. So this is going to be 9 by 16. Now you have to write this in a standard form. So we have seen in the previous video, or you can look at, if you have not seen the previous video, you can just have a look with that. We have done this standard in the usual form. So in that one, now see here it's given this m should be is equal to 1, or it should be more than 1, but it should be less than 10. So here what we are going to do, you are going to write here 3.65 or 67, and then after point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are you going to write here? 3.67 into 10 raised to 6, because we are going in the forward one. So where is the answer here? So the correct option is going to be here C, 3.67 into 10 raised to 6. Now this is given in the standard form. The decimal is going to be, we are going to consider 463. So the decimal is going to be after 4. So what are you going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going in the backwards. So backwards means it is going to be negative. So you are going to write 4.63 into 10 raised to minus 5. So hope you are getting this one. So 4.62 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now again here, how are you going to write in the usual form? Now this is 367 and into 10 raised to 4. So now actually the answer should be, if you are writing here 3.67 and you are going forward here 10 raised to 2. So just I'll show you how to do this one. 0 point, how many, there are three zeros, 367 into 10 raised to 4. So we can also write this as 367 into, so for this one first we'll write here 367 divided by, how many this are here? There will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to write here 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros into, now 10 raised to 4 means we can write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now what we can do, we can 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to get cancelled. So what will be here? What remains is 367 divided by 100. So this we can also write here 367 divided by 100 means we'll write here 367. We will see the number of zeros are 2. So we are going to go backwards 2. So the point is going to be here. So that is going to be 3.67. Hope you got this one with a clear this one. After doing the calculations here. So that is more clear instead of writing it directly. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.